completely traced. And when it changes colors, when the customer changes its colors, the color of the shirt changes all at one time. And it's easier said than done, but in the future, we want to have all our shirts not to have any wrinkles, and honestly, to be on a bust of an actual person, because the more it looks like on a real person and the fit, the better the product looks, the more real it is. These are digital images, and we don't want them to look like digital images. We want this to look like it's already been printed on a product and it's for sale, because it's printing on demand makes a lot of sense from a business standpoint, but from the customer standpoint, they assume and they want the product already to be printed and act like it's already going to be shipped out. So that's essentially the basis of what I got for you for now. I hope this helps. Honestly, creating a lot of these products. Actually, there's one more page I want to show you, and that is the actual website pages management of a store. So now that we have those off, we can come back to the management page. The appearance right here actually is something that's unique. The store name and logo is a good place, because this is where we actually see even more information. The store name, if we had a tagline, site title, and these are the basics, what's going to be shown up here and when it's printed and so forth. But the website pages is probably where you're going to want to spend a lot of the time if you're going to be working on a website. The home page is always on every single website. Some websites we're going to have just the home page, and other websites like the Tribute, we're going to have multiple pages, because they want to create custom products, and they're going to have just a little bit more of a website. For those websites that are just going to have a store link, we only need the home page. Now, within the home page, we have this banner that we can customize, and the banner, only if we click override, we can change, what the HTML and what it looks like of the slider itself. Until we have good images of, what custom for each banner, really probably not an option that's very necessary. Just marketing the products is probably the most important thing. Okay, the body content we actually can have configured. So essentially, if we want to have, a little bit of text at the top of the website of, especially for Tribute, we should have some. I'll have to look for it. And we can paste it right here, and it'll be right at the top of the website, and that's always nice. Decorated products are the main thing we want to list on the website. We can control, currently we have the thumbnail size is exactly what we want. Most of the time you want it to end in a 0 or a 5. That way it goes completely across the page. And all these other settings are pretty much the way we like them. If you had wanted, we can also add, if they had a lot of designs but not decorated products, we could have them displayed right there. We could also have blank products, but I don't think it's really something that's necessary. And then the extra tabs is pretty cool. You can display the most popular, featured, latest, highest voted items, and it's a pretty cool widget that goes on. We also have the ability to control the column settings for each page. Sometimes we want them, sometimes we don't. It all depends on, how many products and designs and categories really we're offering. Do they need that extra navigation tool, essentially, is the question. Just like the other tools within the website, you can change the order very easily by dragging and drop. This meta information is the big part that you're probably going to want to also access. These meta keywords are what is searchable on the website and through any search engine such as Google. So when they type in Tribute Foundation, we want this website to be found. So in the meta description is what is displayed right underneath the website name when on a search engine. So this is also pretty important, and this is what Google reads to know where to rank you. This is the most basic free on-page SEO there is, and this is very important, and actually Deco does a very good job of helping the customer get right to the page. Really, you're free to explore anything else, but those are the basic tools you're probably going to want to use when using the website tools. We'll work on another video for the client that'll be 45 seconds to a minute long, since all they really want. That'll focus on what they need to give us and so forth, and be a lot better edited and professional. Hopefully this helps, and let me know if there's anything else. Thanks.